These are the major sources of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids in the human body. Carbohydrates from the body, like glycogen, the main storage form of carbohydrates in the body, stored in the liver and muscles, and also glucose, a simple sugar that circulates in the bloodstream and serves as the primary energy source for cells. Carbohydrates that go through the body are called dietary carbohydrates. These are obtained from the foods such as fruits, starchy vegetables, grains, legumes, dairy products, and sugars. Proteins. There are five proteins that is mentioned here. Firstly, we have structural proteins. This is found in tissues, organs, and cells providing support and strength. Examples include collagen, keratin, and actin. Then we have enzymes. These enzymes proteins that catalyze biochemical reactions in the body, facilitating various processes. Next, we have the antibodies. These proteins are involved in the immune response, defending against pathogens. Then we have the hormones, protein based molecules that regulate physiological functions and signaling, such as insulin and growth hormone. Lastly, we have the dietary proteins. These are obtained from animals and plant sources like meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Next, we have lipids. Lipids are in charge or have the job to store the energy for later use. Here we have triglycerides, the most common form of dietary fat stored in adipose tissues as an energy reserve. Next, we have phospholipids, essentials, components of cell membranes aiding in their structure and function. Thirdly, we have steroids, including cholesterol, which is necessary for cell membranes and serves as precursor for hormone synthesis. Next, we have fatty acids, these building blocks of lipids that provide energy and contribute to cellular functions. And lastly, we have dietary lipids, obtained from sources such as oils, butter, fatty meats, fish, dairy products, nuts, and seeds. These sources of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids in the human body are essential or important to energy production, structural support, regulatory processes, and overall functioning. It is important to maintain a balanced diet that incorporates a variety of these sources to meet the body's nutritional needs.
Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for the body or provides instant energy for the body. Carbohydrates can be further classified into simple and complex carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are stored in the body as glycogen in the liver and muscles. Simple carbohydrates found in fruits, sugar, and processed foods provide quick energy but lack essential nutrients. Complex carbohydrates present in the whole grains, legumes, and vegetables provide sustained energy and fiber. They are made up of sugar molecules such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues as well as supporting various functions in the body. Proteins play a vital role in muscle development, immune function, hormone production, and enzyme activity. Dietary sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Proteins can be classified into complete proteins containing all essential amino acids and incomplete proteins lacking one or more essential amino acids. They are composed of amino acids which are linked together in a specific sequence. Lipids, commonly known as fats, serve as a concentrated energy source and provide insulation and protection to organs. Lipids are crucial for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K and play a role in hormone production. Dietary sources of lipids include oils, butter, fatty meats, dairy products, nuts, and seeds. Lipids can be classified into saturated fats found in animal products and unsaturated fats found in plant-based oils and fatty fish. Unsaturated fats can be further classified into monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats. They are composed of fatty acids and glycerol.